Hello, my name is Brindley. This is my Gems in the Rough 2023 submission. This is a song called Bedford County Rain. Coffee cups and crosswords of fire in the old Fisher stove. Those raindrops on the tin roof, Lord, I love to hear them fall. Sitting in silence, thinking what this year will hold. This year will hold. I need a little help today. Lord, I'm trying not to lose my way, 'cause I've been dreaming about drinking, listening to the Bedford County rain. The Bedford County rain. The Bedford County rain. All good or all wrong, just trying to find middle ground. Well, peace and happiness, they ain't always around. Bending and breaking, looking for a place to call my own. Place to call my own. I need a little help today. Lord, I'm trying not to lose my way, 'cause I've been dreaming about drinking, listening to the Bedford County rain. Bedford County rain.